How beans can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. How do kidney beans promote heart health? And how you can boost your sexual health by adding kidney beans to your diet. We will describe this all in this video. Welcome to HealthTurn. Subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications about new health videos. Kidney beans are a type of common bean, but a much more important food crop and one of the best sources of protein. It is used in many traditional dishes and is liked by many people because of its amazing taste and health benefits. In this video, we will describe the major health benefits of kidney beans. Number 1. Full of healthy nutrients. Kidney beans contain fiber, carbs, and a good amount of protein. 100 grams of boiled kidney beans contains almost 9 grams of protein, 125 calories, 6.4 grams of fiber, 0.4 gram fat, 22 grams of carbs, 0.2 grams of sugar, and 65% water. Now, you can imagine how healthy 100 grams of boiled kidney beans are. If you want something healthy for your diet, you should keep kidney beans at the top of the list. Number 2. Packed with minerals and vitamins. Kidney beans are a major source of vitamins and minerals. These are natural sources of folic acid or vitamin B9, which is important for pregnant ladies. Iron and manganese found in beans play a prominent role to maintain many functions of the body. A remarkable amount of copper can maintain your kidney health. Major sources of copper are seafood, nuts, and organ meats, but kidney beans offer copper in plenty. That's why sometimes beans are referred to as a poor man's meat. Potassium and vitamin K1 are best to maintain heart health and blood coagulation respectively. Number 3. Maiden weight loss. Excess weight can be associated with a higher risk of chronic disease. But here we have a natural way of keeping weight in healthy ranges. Consumption of beans lowers the risk of obesity and excess weight gain. Some observational studies show that eating beans 4 times a week for 2 months can be more effective than other weight loss diets. Well-cooked kidney beans provide many weight loss-friendly compounds. Therefore, 100 grams of well-cooked kidney beans 4 times a week is strongly recommended for weight loss. Number 4. Controls blood sugar levels. Properly cooked kidney beans are beneficial for those who want to keep their blood sugar levels in control ranges. Because fiber, protein, and carbs found in beans are much more effective to maintain healthy blood sugar levels than other diet plans. Beans can be very useful to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and improve the blood sugar control of type 2 diabetic patients by balancing blood sugar levels. If you want to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, or if you are already a diabetes patient and want to keep your blood sugar levels in healthy ranges, then 100 grams of properly cooked beans 4 times a week is strongly recommended for you. Number 5. Prevent the risk of colon cancer. Beans are packed with a remarkable amount of fiber and nutrients, which provide potential protection against colon cancer. Butyrate found in beans improves your colon health and reduces the risk of developing colon cancer. In this case, again, 100 grams of well-cooked kidney beans are recommended for you if you are afraid of developing colon cancer due to poor health of your colon. Number 6. May improve sexual health. Beans are superfoods to cure premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, and many sexual diseases. It improves your testosterone levels, which leads to improving sperm count, curing erectile dysfunction, and stopping premature ejaculation without any side effects. It improves your stamina to perform well in bed and provides much power to the muscles of sexual organs. Furthermore, it also improves your mood and provides the best experience for sexual life. Some observational studies show that eating beans 5 times a week for 1 month can amaze you in bed. Number 7. May lower bad cholesterol. Beans are very effective to control high LDL levels and improve HDL levels. Bad cholesterol or high LDL can be the cause of many chronic diseases like heart disease. Eating kidney bean salad 10 times a month can improve good cholesterol and reduce bad cholesterol effectively. Beans are an affordable and natural cure for bad cholesterol removing foods. After knowing these amazing health benefits of kidney beans, I am sure you would love to add kidney beans to your diet.